When it comes to managing finances, operations, and customer data, many businesses turn to cloud ERP solutions. NetSuite ERP is one of the biggest names in the game, but is it the best fit for your business? Let's take a closer look. NetSuite ERP is a cloud-based platform that handles accounting, inventory, order management, procurement, and more, all from one dashboard. Designed to streamline operations across finance, HR, e-commerce, and supply chain management, making it a strong all-in-one solution for growing companies. Businesses appreciate NetSuite for its scalability, real-time reporting, and ability to consolidate multiple functions into one system. Now, being cloud-based means no heavy IT infrastructure, and its automation tools save time on manual processes like invoicing and financial closes. However, NetSuite can be pricey, especially for smaller businesses. Implementation may also require professional support, and the learning curve can be steep compared to simpler ERP platforms. Overall, NetSuite ERP is a powerful option for mid-sized to large businesses looking for an all-in-one cloud solution. For smaller teams, more lightweight ERP tools might be readily available and a better starting point. If you used it in your business, let us know in the comments below. What else do you want reviewed? Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe for more awesome content, and we'll catch you in the next one.